Once again, Wales is under attack. The survival of our nation, our identity, our culture, in all honesty, it's nothing short of a miracle. But we can't depend on miracles any longer. The Tories have never liked devolution, and Labour is too weak to defend it. The people of Wales voted to take control of the laws that affect the lives of us here living in Wales. Any rollback of those powers is counter to the will of the people of Wales. Voting Plaid Cymru is the only way to stop this. The Tories' Great Repeal Bill is a Westminster power grab, looking to take power away from the people of Wales. We will pass a law to stop this, to make sure that the people of Wales can control how our education, how our health service and how our environment are controlled. The Tories will bend over backwards to secure cheap and easy foreign trade deals. And in all honesty, this is a real threat now to the Welsh family farm and to our steel industry. Plaid Cymru will create a foreign trade shield, giving Wales a voice in the trade deals across the world. This will protect our businesses, protect our jobs, and make sure that we can still reach markets across the world. We will look to block any deal that would allow giant international corporations to meddle with our precious institutions like the NHS. We will make sure that these public services for Wales are kept in Wales and are strong for Wales. History has not always favoured Wales, but in spite of everything and everyone, we're still here. We're here, and I'm glad to say that we're stronger than ever. To be Welsh is to belong. It doesn't matter where you were born. What matters is whether you want to put the interests of Wales first. Plaid Cymru will always do that. You can be assured, you can be confident. Plaid Cymru will defend the interests of Wales first and foremost. Don't let Wales lose our voice in Westminster. Come June the 8th, vote for Wales, vote for Plaid Cymru.